baby, no problem. I have some products here that I will be going over today that I have been using to help with my dark marks and my blemishes. I tend to break out a lot when I'm stressed out, which a lot of us women do. Our hormones around the time of our menstrual cycle, we may break out a lot. Us women, we tend to break out in the T area where I just usually break up kind of my jawline. So there's usually some dark marks left behind. So let's get to the products that I use. So the first thing that I use is black soap, and it actually smells pretty good. This is through Shea Moisture. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash my face, and you can see what my face looks like now, and then I'll show you what it looks like after I get done washing my face. I just got done washing my face with the black soap, and I mainly focused on where my acne, blemishes, and dark marks are. So after I use the black soap, I follow up with a toner, and I've been using this toner for about a month or so now, and I've been seeing a lot of results. It's supposed to soften, refresh, and moisturize your skin. It's called Facial Toner Witch Hazel Aloe Vera formula, and it has rose in it. So I would highly recommend this product. I bought this from Target, and it's been doing me some good. It's little circle cotton balls that I typically use, and I just put some on there, and then just make sure it's enough on there to spread on your face. I usually just start on my forehead and just work it around. Make sure I get my jaw area as well. And then after I put the toner on my face, during the day, I just wash with the black soap, and then I just use the facial toner, and then I'm done. But at nighttime, I use two bonus things. I use organic tea tree oil. It's just in a central bottle. I bought this from, I think, Walmart. I bought it from Walmart, and just make sure that it's 100% tea tree oil. As long as it just has one ingredient, which is the tea tree oil, then you should be set. It's usually, I think I bought this for like about $10. So put some on now, just to show you. So it kind of comes with a little dropper on there. So I just put about 5 drops in my hand, and then I usually focus on the areas that I break out the most, or especially your dark marks. The tea tree oil is supposed to lighten up those marks and to protect you from getting acne in the future. So I usually just rub it in my jaw area because that's where I've been having the most breakouts. Once I put that on my face, it will tingle, and that's okay. It just shows that it's working. After I put the tea tree oil, I use 100% vitamin E oil. I bought this from the beauty supply store. Using vitamin E oil is supposed to tighten up your collagen in your skin. It's supposed to protect you from wrinkles. It's supposed to even out the skin tone. And if you have a big pimple on your forehead or wherever else on your face, the tea tree oil is supposed to minimize the size of it. So putting that tea tree oil on that blemish and going to sleep and wake up in the morning, the size of that pimple will minimize so much. And then just keep following up with acne treatments or face washes that you may use to protect you from getting more acne than you may want. Actually feels good. I just feel refreshed, rejuvenated, moisturized. It just feels so good on my phone. Next, I will be discussing other products that I use for my skin. This is almost gone, so you know that I need to buy some more. It's baking soda for combination skin. I've used this and it is the bomb. I will recommend using this as well. I usually use this sometimes at night. I don't always use the black soap. I use the black soap sometimes at night when I'm using the tea tree oil and the vitamin E oil, but I usually use this every other day. Also, I use Clean and Clear Lemon Zesty Scrub. I use this mainly in the morning because it has vitamin E. It bluffs your skin, roughness, and just brightens and clears your skin, and it just makes your skin feel so refreshed, so clean. You'll love it. I guarantee you will. So I will recommend using this as well. So that pretty much wraps up this video on the products I use for dark marks and acne. I will be discussing a mask that I use to exfoliate and to get rid of dark marks as well. My main thing that I will be discussing in these skincare videos is acne, dark marks, and exfoliating and just brightening up that skin. So that's all for today's video, and stay tuned. Click like, subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'm telling you, you will love it. I have so much more content to be discussing with you, but this one I definitely wanted to start off with my top products. I will be getting into more skincare, and I will be discussing my hair care as well. So stay tuned for that. I guarantee you're gonna love it. I've been dealing with my hair for so long. As you see right now, it's in protective styles, but I will be getting into a video on how to properly take down box braids and how to wash it. So like I said, subscribe and stay tuned because I have so much more for y'all. Y'all gonna love it. So I will see y'all later in the next video.